Hey everyone, welcome to our video. If you've ever wondered how to take apart your Shark Navigator vacuum cleaner, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you through the disassembly process, providing valuable insights and tips along the way. So, without further ado, let's get started. Please check the description link, I will provide details information. Before we begin, make sure to unplug the vacuum cleaner from the power source for safety purposes. Also, keep in mind that disassembling your Shark Navigator may void any existing warranties, so proceed at your own risk. Removing the dust cup. The first step is to remove the dust cup. Simply press the release button located on the top of the vacuum cleaner, and gently pull out the dust cup assembly. Empty the contents of the dust cup into a trash bag or bin. Detaching the brush roll. Next, we'll detach the brush roll for cleaning a replacement. Flip the vacuum cleaner upside down and locate the brush roll cover. Use a screwdriver to remove the screw securing the cover, and carefully take it off. Now, you can lift out the brush roll from its housing. Accessing the filters. To access the filters, turn the vacuum cleaner back upright. Open the dust cup door and remove the foam filter located at the top. Rinse the filter under cold water until it is clean, then let it air dry for 24 hours. Additionally, don't forget to remove and rinse the felt filter at the bottom of the dust cup. Removing the hose and wand. Now, let's remove the hose and wand assembly. Detach the hose from the vacuum cleaner by pressing the release button near the handle. Then, pull the hose out from the base. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.